Hey there, amazing parents. Welcome back. Today we're exploring reading milestones, those key stages that mark your child's journey to becoming a confident reader. Think of it as a treasure map to reading success. So, what exactly are reading milestones? These are important checkpoints in your child's reading development. Just like learning to walk or ride a bike, every child develops at their own pace. But knowing these milestones can help you guide them along the way. Let's break it down. Here are some key milestones you can look for. First up is pre-reading skills ages 0 to 5. This is where it all begins. Your child will start recognizing letters, understanding that print carries meaning, and listening to stories. Think of it as planting the seeds of literacy. Next up is emergent readers ages 5 to 7. Your little one will start to decode simple words and recognize some sight words. They might even be able to read short books with your help. They're starting to unlock the magic of reading. Then we have early readers ages 7 to 9. At this stage, kids begin to read more independently. They'll tackle longer sentences and understand basic story structures. They're ready to embark on exciting adventures through the pages of their books. And next comes fluent readers ages 9 to 12. Your child is now a reading pro. They can read different genres and understand more complex stories. They're diving deeper into captivating narratives and discovering new horizons in literature. And last, we have advanced readers ages 12 and up. They're not just reading, they're analyzing. Teens begin to think critically about what they read and can engage in discussions about themes and ideas. Welcome to the book club, kids. Remember, every child is unique. They might hit these milestones at different times, and that's perfectly okay. Celebrate their progress and keep the reading journey fun. Whether it's reading a bedtime story or finding a new favorite book, every moment counts. Here are some quick tips to support your child's reading journey. Number 1, read together. Set aside time for shared reading. Let them pick the book, and don't forget to add in some funny voices. Number 2, talk about books. Ask questions about the story and encourage your child to express their thoughts. This boosts comprehension and confidence. Number 3, make it fun. Incorporate games and activities that reinforce reading skills. For example, try a game of word scavenger hunt. Write sight words on sticky notes and hide them around the house. As your child finds each word, they read it aloud. It's a fantastic way to get them moving while practicing their reading skills. And number 4, stay patient and positive. Every child learns at their own pace. Encourage and cheer them on, no matter where they are in their reading journey. And that's a wrap on understanding reading milestones. I hope this helps you feel more confident as you guide your child through their reading adventure. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips on nurturing your little reader's journey. Keep reading, keep exploring, and until next time, happy reading. Bye for now.